Today, Nash and I are out in the woods looking for some juicy pieces of fatwood to get a fire going. And we're both on skis. Woo! What you gotta do is line those pegs up with the holes that are in your boots. That goes down that way. You take your pole, and now you're locked in. First thing to do when you're looking for fatwood is find some pine trees. This is Nash's first time on skis, so we'll see how he does. All right, there's the pine trees we're looking for. Well, you ready for this part? Don't fall in these pricker bushes. Woo! Easy peasy, buddy. Just lean forward. I'm a little rusty. Let's try this again. Well, now that we made it to the pine trees, we gotta find, you looking for dead pine trees or dead branches on live trees? Because, like this right over here. What fatwood is where it's the resin from the tree goes to a dead branch and like tries to plug it up to keep any bacteria and stuff from growing. To protect the tree. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for a nice dead pine tree. And I heard that you want to find branches that are 45 degrees from each other. I can already tell that's fatwood just by the sound it's making when you're cutting it. Now that's some pretty good looking stuff right there. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use this fatwood. And we're going to use this to start it. First thing you need to do is you need to take your fatwood and make little tiny shavings. Make a nice little pile of like fatwood dust. Take it and you scrape it like at 90 degrees instead of tilting your knife and cutting it. It makes these nice teeny tiny little shavings. But you can see, like, it makes a black smoke, and that is because of the resin. Well, I was going to sit out here and enjoy this fire for a little bit, but Nash's hands are cold because he fell down so much, so we're just going to go home. You okay? Woo! Down again. Oh, it undid your boot for you. Woo, woo.